Welcome. If you're tired of your inbox filling up with LinkedIn group invitation emails, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable email notifications for group invitations on LinkedIn using the latest update on your PC. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner. Click on the Me icon. This is your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. You'll now be taken to the Settings page. On the left side of the screen, find and click on the Notifications tab. This is where you can control all the different ways LinkedIn keeps you updated. Scroll through the notification categories until you find Groups. Click on Groups to expand the options. Here, you'll see several types of group notifications, including group invitations, group updates, and more. Now focus on group invitations. Click the arrow or the category name to open up the detailed notification settings. You'll see toggles for different types of notifications: in-app, push, and email. Locate the email toggle for group invitations and simply switch it off. This will stop LinkedIn from sending you emails every time you're invited to a group, while still allowing you to see these invitations when you log into LinkedIn directly. After you've turned off the email notifications, you can exit the settings. Your changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to look for a save button. And that's it. You've successfully disabled email notifications for group invitations on LinkedIn. Your inbox should now be a little less crowded, and you'll still be able to manage your group invitations directly on LinkedIn whenever you want. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more tips to streamline your LinkedIn experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly decluttered inbox.